Hi everyone, it's Russell Lowe speaking, and this is just a quick tutorial on using Padlet to compose images, sort of in a sort of a grid. We'll start off with making a Padlet, and then I'm going to use this canvas one so I can group and connect things in any particular way I like, and that opens up my Sublime Padlet, and that's interesting. If you know what I've been up to in the last few years, it makes a lot of sense. Let's call it Jigsaw Plan. And then let's change the wallpaper to just a solid colour. I had a nice sort of a texture in the last one. Let's do a soft grey. Jeez, kind of makes me want to die. Oh, you could add your own one there as well. Keep working. Sorry. Next, and start posting. Okay, right. So I've got some images in a folder. This is a plan of or a map of a little town in Japan by the look of it, and I've just cut some images, some parts of it out of it. So these are sub-images of that. You can see the little temple here. This is the actually it's the upper bit here, but it's been rotated, and this is should be over here somewhere. Anyway, so I'll click on all of these and just drag them into here, and you can see it's loading them. Just wait a couple of seconds, it's all online, so it might take a second. Click and drag them around. You can see they tend to snap to the edges like that. You can drag multiple copies in. So let's drag this one in again. I haven't changed the name of it at all either. And this is for online collaboration, so I'm bringing them from my computer, but we should be able to see them on somebody else's computer as well. If they bring them from their computer onto this canvas here, this Padlet, I guess we call it, then I'll see it in real time. Now I can arrange this however I like, but what if I want to rotate it? Well, it doesn't appear that you can rotate it inside of Padlet, but you can go back to your folder and then say double click here and then rotate the image. Let's rotate it that way there, and then close that, and you see it's rotated. Now if I bring it into Padlet again, this is the third time I've brought this image in with the same name. Doesn't seem to be any problems. I can do that. I can then even sort of do that. If I wanted to adjust that image, I could crop those things. So let's bring this one in rotated. So that's that one there. Double click on it, rotate it, run that way, close that down, and then drag it in. Wait for it to upload, and I can put that here, or I can start to line that up with the streets here and create my own version. Create my own version of it. Maybe try and match up the edges. Look, you can also look at the full image and download that, but you can also edit it. And actually I didn't want to leave notes to remind. Close that. Oops, actually I don't want those notes. Oh, I just deleted the whole thing. snap film. Oh, it looks like you can drag things in from a range of different ways. Okay, so don't add a note. Well, there might be a way to add a note that that doesn't change the composition. I was hoping that would just be, that would close behind. Now that's in front of that image there. If we edit this, I can send to back and I can have it behind that particular image. So look, it looks like there's a few different ways to recompose images and create different maps in this way. I imagine I can export or print it. Let's try export, see what happens. Save image as PDF or a CSV. I'd be interested to see what that's like. Print it. Let's save it as a PDF. A4 portrait, publish PDF. This is the first time I've done this, so let's see what happens. It's nice that we're learning a fun fact as it's working. There we go. Where is my, what I've composed? Okay, that's not giving me what I was hoping for. So let's go back. Looks like it's just opened up a new window. Let's just try print. Save as PDF, save as an image. Okay, let's try seeing what save as an image does. It's no point in composing something if it's going to change. There we go. That's a little better. Save image as. Let's go back and put it in where I was working something. PNG, that's good. Let's open it here and see what we get. Okay, looks like just a regular square canvas. So that's something that's sort of useful. Let's see. Here it is here. Let's just see what size it is. 12. Okay, so that's sort of printable. That's sort of printable on a A4 sort of size sheet. You wouldn't want to print it much larger than that. And I'm not sure about zooming in. It might be worth zooming in before we print, just to get the image taking up more of the background, more of the canvas. Okay, that's more than I was hoping to share, but see how you go. Thanks for watching.